In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started in e-commerce even if you're a complete beginner. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Chappell and I work with some of the largest brands and creators in the world that you definitely know and love on their Facebook and TikTok ads. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So we're going to be covering exactly how you can get started in e-commerce. And one of the very first steps that you're going to need to take is by picking a niche. And I've gone ahead and listed 3 categories here that are my top 3 if I was to choose going into e-commerce. And I chose these specific categories for very specific reasons. Number 1 is the supplement space. This is where you're selling a supplement-based product. Number 2 is clothing. This could be your own branding, your own style or design where you're selling those pieces of apparel. And number 3 is cosmetics, and that is anything that's hair care products, beauty products, makeup, anything in the cosmetic space. And the reason for these 3 specific niches I selected are not only because I see incredible results with students in these specific spaces, but these are very scalable categories. You can have multiple product lines, you can have recurring revenue, which is one of the biggest factors for these 3 categories. A lot of people sell products that, you'll purchase, but there's really not another product to sell them on, or there's really no reason for them to return and buy it again. Whereas in the supplement space, if they use all of the supplement, then you can get them on a recurring order subscription where it's being delivered to their home every month, and then you're able to make that recurring revenue. Same thing with clothing. Most people don't just buy one piece of apparel. If they like it, they might buy hats, they might buy more t-shirts, they might buy your sweatpants, and that allows you to get the same customer to come back and buy multiple times. The same thing goes for beauty. Once you're out of the hair products, you're going to need more. This is the beautiful art of these 3 niches because there's a lot of money in these specific spaces. And so that would be step number 1, or to identify which specific category you're going to go into. And here's supplements, just a few examples for some of the results that our clients are seeing. We have Hydropower, who's in our mentorship, and they're doing $34,000 months selling supplements. Then we have Plants Basically here, who went from 20K months all the way to $150,000 per month. Yes, that is already over $1 million in sales with this business, all from selling supplements where people are getting on auto subscription. So that's the great thing about the supplement category. And you can have multiple product lines. You can do bundles and get people to purchase more items. There's a lot more profit margin in these products. Same thing for clothing. We have Bad Society Club, who's doing over $165,000 per month selling pieces of apparel. And then we have Daniel Liu here, who's doing 70K months selling out his hats. What's great about the clothing space is you can release a design, sell it out, and then go to the next product. And this allows you to hit your email list, keep a lot of hype around people purchasing your products, and can do some pretty incredible sales days. And then we have the cosmetic space where we're selling hair care items or makeup. And Hardworking Gentleman, another client in our mentorship that went from $0 to $220,000 per month. Pretty crazy to think about, and we did this all while scaling Facebook and TikTok ads. And people are coming back and buying these products over and over again. Same thing for Jack Henry, doing $250,000 per month. So these 3 categories are really great opportunities to not only get into, but also scale. And you don't have to go with one of these specific categories, but I definitely recommend one of these 3 because it is such a great niche to be in, especially for recurring revenue. And there's lots of different businesses that can have recurring, but I'm going to be breaking down some of the steps and ways that you can go into each different category here and create products at no cost. And so we've talked a lot about the recurring revenue, which is a big key item here. The next step is using an on-demand tool. If I was to get started in e-commerce, I'd want to do it to where I wouldn't have to spend a lot of money on inventory. So there's a tool called Suppliful, and this is going to be the tool we use for supplements. So here we are on Suppliful's website, and as you can see, you can get your very own supplement made. And just to show you what this looks like, and the first step is to choose your product. They have over 100 plus nutritionist tested products to craft your personal offer, which is really great because you can design your own label, and they're literally going to allow you to customize the look And then you can add your own pricing and charge what you would like. And then you can simply just start selling it. And they're going to handle all of the fulfillment and allow you to keep the profit. And they're going to automatically receive and process the orders for you. So all you really have to do is just go out there and sell it online. And so this is the great thing is you can literally have a product up and going within days, have your product page built out and designed to where you can start selling online. So anyone can have a supplement-based business just by using Suppliful. It's a tool, very easy to use. You just sign up and you start designing what kind of product you want for supplements, and you can have multiple product lines. And this is great because it's going to save you money. There's no inventory. They're going to manage the fulfillment for you, and all you have to do is just promote your product and get the orders. The next tool is Printify, and this tool is great for clothing and apparel. You can come up with your own designs and print on demand. This means that you don't have to go out and buy all the products, put on your own labels and manage all that stuff yourself. You can literally get up and running within days, and it's entirely for free. You can get started, and there's no inventory, no upfront cost, and you can charge what you want. Clothing space is absolutely incredible. We've had so many students over the years crush it with their creativity and designs by being able to scale up with their Facebook and TikTok ads. So all you got to do is just select which products you want to sell, whether it's t-shirts, hoodies, iPhone cases, upload your design, and all of these things can be done in Canva. You can design your supplements in Canva. You can design your labels in Canva for your clothing. Same thing for your cosmetics. All these tools are free and they can manage it all for you. And that's the beauty of being able to do this. And then the third one, which is really cool, this is Atelier. And this is where you can design your cosmetic products. You can literally choose face care, body care, hair care, lip care. And let me just show you how this works. All you got to do is just come in here, and if you have a great idea for a product that you would really love, whether it's for a specific skin type, hair type, and you want to be able to have something that helps you out that you can't find in stores or anywhere, well, you can create it yourself with this tool. You can choose the texture, how you want it to look. You can choose the exact ingredients. They have over 35,000 plus ingredients. If I was getting started in e-commerce, I would definitely be selecting and building and designing out my product lines so that way I can scale up. And once you package this with beautiful branding and your special offer and talk about all of the benefits and even choosing your bottle and how you want it to look, this is absolutely incredible. You can get all of this done in this tool and then be able to start running ads and getting sales online. It's pretty crazy that the times we're in where you can get your business up and off the ground for very little cost, have your product entirely designed and ready to go. So those are the 3 tools that will literally manage it on demand for you. So now that you've chosen your niche, you can now choose the tool that you're going to fulfill these products with. And that allows us to have a few benefits. It's going to save us some money. It's going to allow us to test and learn which products work. We can cut off product lines if they're not producing and scale up the ones that are. And we don't have to manage all the inventory and worry about all that packaging. Step number 3 is then designing your website. And I would recommend using Shopify, and all these tools we're talking about in this video are linked below. So the first step is you'll want to set up your Shopify store. This is the e-commerce platform where you'll build your website and manage your products. The other tools that I showed you are how you're going to be able to fulfill them, and they'll handle all that for you, and they all integrate with Shopify. Step number 2 is adding a theme. When you go to Shopify, they have free themes. So as you can see, we can select the free themes, and here we are. There's the beauty and cosmetics template right here for you. You use a template just like this. You start to use the tool I showed you, Atelier, after you've designed the product, and now you have your website up, you have your products connected, and you're pretty much ready to go on selling it. And they've already laid out these formats for you. Same thing for this one. Same for the clothing and hats, and even these supplements down here. So all you got to do is just select a theme, upload it to your Shopify, and then you just fill in the product information, add in your product images, and you're pretty much on the way to being able to get your first sell. And then finally, step number 3 is designing your product pages. And I have a full conversion rate optimization guide for Shopify on how to design the perfect product landing page that converts. So I highly recommend checking out that video here. And step number 4 is marketing. And once you've got your product designed and you have it connected to your Shopify store and you're up, well, now all is left to do is really to start getting sales. And you can do this by leveraging Facebook and TikTok ads as well as organic marketing. So all you need to do is put a few ad creatives together, images and videos of your product, and then uploading it to your Facebook ads. So I recommend checking out this Facebook ads video, this TikTok video, and this organic viral marketing video here, because these are in-depth strategies that you can start applying to generate sales. And these are really all the tools you need to get your e-commerce store up, and you can start generating those sales thereafter. And if you want to be able to generate results like my clients do in the supplement, clothing, and cosmetic space, then I highly recommend checking out our new e-commerce accelerator program, where we cover all of this in immense detail on how to be able to scale up your Facebook and TikTok ads and be able to generate enormous sales. So if you want to join that curriculum, go ahead and click that link below so that way you can get access. We're dropping new modules every single week. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye y'all.